guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the app. To download the GPS and Track app, start by checking your welcome email. It includes direct download links for both iPhone and Android. If you can open that email on your phone, tap the link and it will automatically open the correct app store for your device. If you can't open the email on your phone, you can install the app manually by opening the App Store on your device. On an iPhone, tap the App Store icon, and on Android, tap the Google Play Store icon. Search for GPS and Track, select the app, and tap Install. You can also scan the QR code shown in this video. Make sure you scan the iPhone QR code if you're on Apple or the Android QR code if you're on Android, and your phone will open the correct app store automatically. Once the app finishes installing, tap Open, then log in using the email and password you created during setup. And if you have any questions, just reach out.